I got you. I got you.
Babe, I really did something great for the community. You know, the news is just trying to say that Meta is only destroyed, but no. I built something, okay? A safe space. You gotta see it, babe. A safe space for the homeless. And I did it without violence. There we go. Okay, I'm lying. Maybe there was a little. But babe, the people I helped, you gotta see their faces. You had to. Damn, babe, you're a little ashy today. What's going on? Remember I taught you that was a thing? God, I miss you so much. It's been so long, babe. I don't even know if you're still in there. Maybe if you are, please, can you give me a sign? Let me know we have a future together. Please. I love you so much. No, baby, please, no, please. Please.